Okay, welcome back. Let's move to the next question. We have already discussed about first question, right? First one part one, 1A and 1B, right? Now we are going to discuss about the second question. Already said that our PDF is not clear. Therefore, I write the I wrote the equation, the question again for to clear to read clearly. Okay, sorry. This is the second question. Okay, 2A. Here, am I recording? This is sorry. Uh, this is the second question. Okay, a discrete random variable. A discrete random variable D represents the number of defects found in a machine part during inspection. A discrete random variable D represents the number of defects found in a machine part during inspection. The probability mass function of D is defined as PD is equal to D. If D is equal to 0 or 1, you have to use this equation. If D is equal to 2 or 3 or 4, you have to use this equation. Otherwise, if D is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, anything, the probability is 0. That is very simple. Here, K is constant. Okay. Now, they are asking the first question is determine the value of K. Now, we have to find the value of K. First, we write the question again. Okay. Here, full screen. Now, what is the data, given data? P, it's taking right. Wait a minute. I will teach you step by step, okay, part by part, because if I record the full video for 1 hour, sometimes it's lagging. Now also I think it's lagging little bit. Therefore, we can study little by little bit every part, okay. In this video, we can discuss about part one question. In next video, we can discuss about part two. In next video, the part three, like that, okay. Don't if I record for if I record all the classes in one video, it's lacking um, in some places in the video. Therefore, uh, I we can I divide the video. I divide the class as small parts. Okay. Now, the given data is this. The given data, right? P is P. P. Sorry, I write again. Okay. P is equal to D. This is they are given data. P D is equal to D. K into D plus 2. K into D plus 2. K into D plus 2. If D is equal to 0 or 1. If D is equal to 0 or 1, we have to use this equation. If the K is if the D is equal to 2, 3 or 4, 2 or 3 or 4, we have to use this 6 minus D. k into 6 minus d. Otherwise, illavital. Otherwise, net. I think in single nothing. I'm sorry, I don't know single. Okay. If I don't know single, I will explain in single also. Now I only know English and Tamil. Okay. Otherwise, okay. Others not other size. Otherwise, okay. Sorry. Other otherwise. OTHER WISE. Otherwise 0. How to write this? Here we have to calculate everything step by step. PD is equal to 0. What is PD is equal to 0? Yeah, first we are going to the question. I have to find everything to quickly get the answer and to uh, to get the answer very easily. for our easy for our comfortable for our comfort we we uh, we we first we find something before going to the question. Okay, p d is equal here I substitute 0 instead of d, therefore p d is equal to 0. Here if d is equal to 0 I have to use this equation, therefore if I substitute here 0, what is it? 0 plus not 2, this is not z, this is 2. Okay, d plus 2, yes, d plus 2. Okay, therefore if I substitute 0 here, I write, okay, k into d plus 2, k into d plus 2 is equal to k into what is d? 0. 0 into 2. Therefore, p d is equal to, right? Please write everything in your notebook, okay? I can explain everything again again every time, okay? Please write everything with me, and for finally, if you prepare the flow of the answer, you will understand, okay? If you don't understand, please watch the video again again. And not only also, please refer your notes again and again, okay? It's very easy, not hard. PD is equal to 0 is equal to 2k. 2k. Okay. Okay, right. Now I have to d is equal to 1. D is equal to 1 imply. D is equal to 1 imply P D is equal to 1 is equal to k into d plus 2. K into d plus 2 because if because if d is equal to 1, I have to use this equation. Therefore k into d plus 2. K into d plus 2. K into d plus 2, therefore k into d is equal to 1, 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, therefore p d is equal to 1 is equal to 3k. Okay, 3k. 3k. Now I have to use d is equal to 2. D is equal to, if d is equal to 2, I have to use this equation k into 6 minus d. K into 6 minus d, therefore p d is equal to 2 is equal to k into 6 minus d. K into 6 minus d, therefore k into 6 minus d is equal to 2, therefore 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, therefore p d is equal to 2 is equal to 4k. Okay, therefore p d is equal to 2 is equal to 4k. Okay, yeah. Very easy, very easy. Now d is equal to 3 imply p d is equal to 3. P d is equal to 3 is equal to, if d is equal to 3, what equation should I use here? D is equal to 3, therefore I must use this k into 6 minus d equation. Therefore d is equal to 3 imply p d is equal to 3 is equal to k into 6 minus d is equal to k into 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3. Therefore, 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Therefore, P D is equal to 3 is equal to 3k. Okay, 3k, yes. 3k. Wait a minute. Okay, okay, 3k. Okay. Now, the now we have to use substitute. We have to substitute 4 instead of d, which is d is equal to 4 imply. If d is equal to 4 imply, if d is equal to 4, we have to use this equation. Therefore, k into 6 minus d. Therefore, p d is equal to 4. P d is equal to 4 is equal to k into 6 minus d. Yes, k into 6 minus d. K into 6 minus d is equal to k into 6 minus, what is D? 4. Therefore, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, 2 into K, 2K. P into D is equal to 4 is equal to 0. Now we have found everything. Yeah. Otherwise, 0. What's meaning? What's the meaning of 0? Let's discuss it later. Okay. PD is equal to 0 is equal to 2K. PD is equal to 1 is equal to 3K. PD is equal to 2 is equal to 4K. PD is equal to D is equal to 3 is equal to 3K. PD is equal to 4 is equal to 0. So, sorry, 0. Oh, sorry, 2K, right? Oh, yes, it's 2K, sorry. 2K, sorry, 2K. What is, if D is equal to 5, what is, what is the probability? But if D is equal to 5, P D is equal to 5 is equal to 0. If D is equal to 6, D is equal to P D is equal to 6 is equal to 0. If 6, 7, 0, 8, 0, 9, 0, because they have already mentioned that otherwise 0. Therefore, everything instead of everything except 0 or 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, we must use 0 as the probability of that D is for the value of D. Okay. Now let's move to the question. The first question is determine the value of K. How to find the value of K value of K? Before, okay, first we have to discuss about one thing. Okay. uh, you, for example, this is the coin, right? Coin, right? If I throw the coin, like, if I, this is the coin, if I throw the coin one, I will get a head or tail, right? If I throw the coin one, I may get head, I may face, I may see the head face or tail face. Therefore, we already studied in advanced level and school advanced level, not only in school time. Uh, the probability of head, the probability of head is equal to half. The probability of tail is equal to half. We already know this is very simple, right? Here, what is the pH of, this is the very important thing here. We have this very simple thing, but we have to memorize. We have to understand this. It's very important. It's very simple, but it's very important to do this first question. Okay, to find the K, we must use this concept. Okay, pH plus PT is equal to, what is pH is equal to, yeah, what is pH? pH half. pH is equal to half. PT is equal to half. What is pH? The probability of head is equal to half, 1 by 2. There are two events. The probability is 1. One, we will get head face or tail face. There are 1 by 2. 1 by 2. It's very simple. Therefore, pH plus PT. pH plus PT is equal to half plus half. Half plus half is equal to 1. This is very important. 1, 1, 1, 1. This is very important. Okay. What is the meaning of this? The total probability, the total summation of probabilities, the total summation, the total summation. Okay. Total summation of probability, total summation of all probabilities. Don't note. Okay. This is the very important note. Okay. Please write in your notebook. Write on your notebook. Total summation of all probabilities. Probabilities. Total summation of all probabilities equal to 1. What is this is the meaning? For example, there are 5 events. Okay, there are 5 events. For example, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. There are 5 events. For example, uh, the the probability of the event x1 is px1, px2 like that. Okay, therefore the total probability px1 plus px2, px1 plus px2 plus px3 plus px4 plus px5 equal to 1. It's very important. The total summation of the probability of all events, the total summation of all the probabilities of the events will be equal to 1. We already know this is why 1. This is the here. Here now we have k is a constant, determine the value of k. Therefore we use this here. We already find all the probabilities here. PD PD is equal to 0 is equal to 2k, PD is equal to 1 is equal to 3k, PD is equal to 2 is equal to 4k, PD is equal to 3 is equal to 3k, P D is equal to 4. What is the meaning of this? P D is equal to 4. The probability of D is equal to 4. That's the simple thing. If please understand, the probability of D is equal to 4. P D is equal to 4 is equal to 2k. Otherwise 0. We don't need to. If you sum 0 for 10 times, the result is 0. Therefore we don't need to care about 0 other thing. If we don't have to care about d greater than 4. If d is equal to 5, if d is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, everything the probability is 0. Therefore, if we if we sum the 0 for 1000 times also, we will get the final answer 0, right? It's very simple, right? Therefore, here we use this uh, okay. This is my uh, this is the d is equal to, this is the summary of my explanation. D is equal to 0, d is equal to 4, for p, d is equal to d is equal to 1. What is the meaning? I have to substitute for d. I have to substitute for d from 0 to 4. Therefore, if I summation, this we already know. The meaning of sigma is summation. Therefore, the summation, total summation will be 1. If if I can also write here 10 also. Yeah, I have to substitute from 0 to 10. But we already know d is equal to 5, p d is equal to 5 to 10, all are 0. Therefore, we don't need to consider about greater than 4. Therefore, this is the very important. Okay, this is the summary of my explanation. Sigma d is equal to 0, d is equal to 4, p d is equal to 1. Therefore, p first I substitute 0. P d is equal to 0. P d is equal to 0, 0 plus P d is equal to 1. Okay, 0 to 4. P d is equal to 2 plus P d is equal to 3 plus P d is equal to 4, which is equal to the probability of the total probability is equal to the total summation of the whole probability is equal to 1. We already discussed, right? Therefore, what is P d is equal to 0? P d is equal to 0 is we have already found that. Wait, P d d is equal to 0 is 2k, 2k, 2k. P d is equal to 1 is equal to 3k, 2k plus 3k plus P d is equal to 2 is equal to 3k, 4k, 2k for d is equal to 0, 3k for d is equal to 1, for d is equal to 3, uh, for d is equal to 0, 2k, for d is equal to 1, 3k, 3k, for d is equal to 2, 4k, for d is equal to 3, 3k, 3k, for d is equal to 4, 2k, for d is equal to 5, 0. We don't need to consider about 0, 2k. We want to care about d 0 to 4. Therefore, 2k plus 4, 3k plus 4k plus 3k plus 2k. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, right. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are five times. 2k, 3k, 4k. That is equal to 2, 1. 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 3k plus 2k is equal to what is 2, 3, 5, 5, 9, 12, 12, 14, 14k. Yes, 14k. Therefore, 14k is equal to 1. Therefore, k is equal to 1 by 14. K, therefore, ஆகவே, so, ஆகவே, therefore, k is equal to 1 by 14. This is the, now we have found the, determine the value of k. We have found the determine the value of k, which is equal to 1 by 14. Okay. Next video we can discuss about the next part. Okay. If you like the video, please subscribe and like. Most of the students watch the video, but they don't like or subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.